In the heart of South America lies a world unlike any other. A place where life thrives in its purest form, home to millions of species, some yet to be discovered. This is the Amazon rainforest, an ecosystem so vast it breathes life into our planet and holds secrets waiting to be revealed. The Amazon River, the life-giving artery of this ecosystem, snakes its way through the heart of the rainforest. It carries more water than any other river in the world, its tributaries weaving a complex network of waterways that sustain an astonishing array of life. But as the world's largest rainforest faces unprecedented threats, time is running out to uncover its mysteries and to protect its future. Join us as we journey into the depths of this green paradise and explore its wonders, its challenges, and the untold stories of the Amazon rainforest. Step into the Amazon and you enter a world unlike any other. Every inch of this rainforest teems with life, a symphony of sounds, colors, and scents that overwhelm the senses. From the towering canopy to the forest floor, a breathtaking diversity of plants and animals call this place home. The Amazon is a biodiversity hotspot. It houses an estimated 1 in 10 known species on Earth. Scientists believe that millions more species remain undiscovered, hidden within its depths. The Amazon has existed for millions of years, providing ample time for species to evolve and diversify. The warm, humid climate and consistent rainfall create ideal conditions for life to flourish. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. This intricate web of life is a treasure trove of biodiversity that we must protect for generations to come. The Amazon rainforest is a kingdom ruled by giants. Towering trees, some reaching over 200 feet, dominate the skyline, their crowns forming a dense canopy. Among the most iconic trees is the mighty kapok. The kapok's smooth, straight trunk is a marvel of nature's engineering. Its buttress roots provide stability, anchoring the tree firmly. Another giant is the Brazil nut tree, which can live for over 1,000 years. These trees are essential, their nuts providing sustenance for many animals. Scientists estimate over 16,000 tree species in the Amazon, each with its unique role. These giants are the pillars of the Amazon ecosystem, essential for countless species' survival. Beneath the towering canopy, the Amazon rainforest explodes in a riot of colors. A breathtaking array of flowers, orchids, bromeliads, and vines adorn the forest floor and climb towards the sunlit sky, creating a breathtaking tapestry of life. Orchids, with their intricate blooms and delicate beauty, are among the most captivating flowers of the Amazon. These epiphytes, which grow on other plants for support, come in a dazzling array of colors and forms, their petals often adorned with intricate patterns and markings. Bromeliads, with their rosette-shaped leaves that collect rainwater, add another layer of color and texture to the rainforest. These plants often serve as miniature ecosystems, their water-filled centers providing habitat for frogs, insects, and even small mammals. The floral diversity of the Amazon is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a vital resource for countless species of insects, birds, and other animals that rely on flowers for food and pollination. This vibrant tapestry of life is a testament to the interconnectedness of the rainforest ecosystem. Jewels of the Jungle, unveiling the Amazon's rare fauna. The Amazon rainforest is a haven for wildlife, home to an astonishing array of animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrantly colored macaw, the fauna of the Amazon is as diverse as its flora. One of the most iconic inhabitants of the Amazon is the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. This apex predator, with its powerful build and distinctive rosette markings, is a symbol of the rainforest's wild beauty. Jaguars are solitary creatures, their territories encompassing vast swaths of rainforest. The Amazon is also home to a dazzling array of primates, including spider monkeys, howler monkeys, and marmosets. These agile creatures, with their long limbs and prehensile tails, are perfectly adapted for life in the trees, their calls echoing through the rainforest canopy. The skies above the Amazon are alive with color, thanks to the presence of over 1,300 species of birds. Macaws, with their vibrant plumage and raucous calls, are among the most recognizable. Silent hunters and armored wonders, navigating the Amazon's waters. The Amazon River and its tributaries are the lifeblood of the rainforest. These waterways, teeming with fish and other aquatic life, support a diverse array of creatures, from the stealthy caiman to the bizarre-looking arapaima. The black caiman, the largest predator in the Amazon River system, can grow up to 16 feet long. These ambush predators lurk in the shallows, their dark coloration providing excellent camouflage as they wait for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance. The arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, is another remarkable denizen of the Amazon's waters. This air-breathing fish, which can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 400 pounds, is an ancient species, its lineage dating back millions of years. The Amazon's waterways are a vital part of the rainforest ecosystem, providing sustenance and transportation for countless species. Guardians of the forest, indigenous tribes of the Amazon. For centuries, the Amazon rainforest has been home to numerous indigenous tribes, each with a unique culture and a deep connection to the land. These guardians of the forest have lived in harmony with nature for generations, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of the rainforest. The indigenous people of the Amazon are incredibly diverse, speaking over 300 different languages and practicing a wide range of cultural traditions. Some tribes, like the Yanomami, live in remote areas of the rainforest, maintaining traditional ways of life that have remained largely unchanged for centuries. Indigenous knowledge of the rainforest is vast and profound, accumulated over centuries of observation and interaction with the natural world. The rhythm of the rainforest, indigenous life and traditions. The lives of indigenous people in the Amazon are deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the rainforest. Their daily activities, from hunting and gathering to spiritual practices, are guided by the natural world. Many rely on subsistence farming, cultivating small plots of land. They practice shifting cultivation, allowing the land to regenerate. Hunting, fishing, and gathering provide protein, fruits, nuts, and medicinal plants. They have a deep understanding of the rainforest's resources. Spiritual beliefs play a central role, reflecting their connection to nature. The Amazon ablaze, deforestation, and its devastating impact. The Amazon rainforest, once a seemingly impenetrable wilderness, is facing an unprecedented threat: deforestation. Driven by a complex interplay of factors, including agricultural expansion, illegal logging, mining, and infrastructure development, deforestation is rapidly eating away at the Amazon. Vast swaths of rainforest are being cleared every year, primarily to make way for cattle ranching and soybean production. These activities, driven by global demand for beef and animal feed, are the leading causes of deforestation in the Amazon. Illegal logging, often targeting valuable hardwoods like mahogany and teak, is another major threat. Mining operations, particularly for gold and other precious minerals, are also contributing to deforestation and environmental degradation. The loss of rainforest cover disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem, leading to habitat loss, biodiversity decline, and climate change. Deforestation also has a profound impact on indigenous communities, who rely on the rainforest for their livelihoods and cultural survival. N. A global call to action. protecting the Amazon for future generations. The fate of the Amazon rainforest hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. Protecting this vital ecosystem requires a concerted global effort involving governments, businesses, indigenous communities, and individuals alike. International cooperation is essential for addressing the drivers of deforestation, such as illegal logging and unsustainable agricultural practices. Strengthening law enforcement, promoting sustainable land use practices, and supporting indigenous land rights are crucial steps in curbing deforestation. Consumers also have a role to play by making informed choices about the products they buy. Supporting companies that are committed to sustainable sourcing practices and reducing consumption of products linked to deforestation can make a difference. Educating future generations about the importance of the Amazon rainforest and the threats it faces is essential for fostering a sense of stewardship and inspiring action. The Amazon's future. A shared responsibility. The Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity and a vital component of our planet's health, stands at a crossroads. Its future, and indeed our own, depends on the choices we make today. Protecting this invaluable ecosystem is not just an environmental imperative. It's a shared responsibility that demands urgent action. Supporting indigenous communities who have been stewards of the forest for millennia is crucial for preserving their traditional knowledge and ensuring the long-term health of the rainforest. By protecting this vital ecosystem, we are not only safeguarding countless species and mitigating climate change, but also securing a future where both people and nature can thrive. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content.